Going to do the next, the second part of numericals of light and reflection and refraction. So before that we have seen few numericals, 5 6 numericals. Today also we'll see 5 6 numericals related to mirror, spherical mirrors like concave and convex, and then we will go for refraction. So let's revise once whatever the formulas which we will use here. First is what focal length, relation between focal length and radius of curvature, that is what r is equal to 2f. Then mirror formula, if you will see, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. And then next is what magnification, hi by ho, or we can say minus v by u, right? Magnification, that is these things we'll have to see. Let's see now. I wrote few numericals. We'll see all those numericals. So the first question on the screen is what? The linear magnification produced by a spherical mirror is plus 1 by 3. Analyzing this value, state the type of mirror and position of the object with respect to the pole of the mirror. Draw any diagram to justify your answer. Okay. So here you'll have to justify also, right? Let's see. Linear magnification produced by a spherical mirror is plus 1 by 3, right? Plus 1 by 3. Okay, so magnification is going to be, just a minute. Yeah, so we can say now here is what. So two types of mirror we can draw here. One is concave, one is convex here. Guys, second thing what we can do here is magnification is plus 1 by 3. Plus 1 by 3 in the sense is what? Whenever you write plus 1 by 3, then the image is going to be what? Virtual and erect. But in concave mirror, the image is going to be in only one case what? Virtual and erect. That is what? If the object is placed between pole and focus. Okay, so let's consider the object is placed somewhere here. So we can say a ray of light parallel to principal axis will pass through what? Focus. Second, we can consider a ray of light incident at pole. It will what? Reflect back with the same angle. So if you'll see, these rays are what? Divergent, so they are never going to meet, right? If they are not never going to meet, so we can say that what? We'll have to extend it. We'll extend also, guys, it is going to meet somewhere here. Okay, so we can say the image is going to form by this, right? So that is the image. Now the problem here is one more thing, that what? Magnification is plus 1 by 3. It means it is less than 1, so it cannot be magnified. It should be what? Diminished. So this is not possible. Hope so you guys got it. 2 3 points are there. First is what? Plus 1 by 3. So the object can be the object should be placed in between pole and focus, because it should be what? Real. It should be virtual and erect, right? So for virtual and erect in concave mirror, the object should be placed in pole and focus, right? That is what I did. And then I got the image behind the mirror, that is what? Enlarged, right? Bigger than the object size, but which is not possible again. Why? Because magnification is here plus 1 by 3, plus 1 by 3, right? It is less than 1. So concave mirror is not possible. Let's see for convex mirror. Convex mirror, if you'll place the object here, let's consider we place the object here, then we can say a ray of light parallel to principal axis will pass through what? Focus, right? So first it will reflect back, and then we can say let's draw in dot dot. So we can say somewhere here, right? Now second, we can say, guys, that what? Second rays of light is what? Directly incident at center of curvature. Center of what? Curvature. If you will take directly at center of curvature, so somewhere here, so we can say that image is forming here. So yes, this is what? First is what? Virtual and erect magnification plus 1 by 3, and then diminished image, right? So this mirror is going to satisfy our condition. So this is the ray diagram and this will be the answer. Got everyone? Fine. Now a spherical mirror produces a magnification of -1. Okay. On a screen, see, many things are given there in the question itself. So magnification is -1, and on the screen means the screen means what? Only one type of image, like convex cannot be formed on a screen, right? So only concave mirror. Fine. So we understood the first part. If you will see, write the type of mirror. So first part answer is what? Concave, right? Magnification is -1, placed 50 centimeter from the object. 50, okay. Placed what? 50 on a screen, placed at a center. Screen is placed what? 50 centimeter. So screen is placed means what? Image is placed, right? Image is placed what? 50 centimeter minus 50 cent. Why minus 50 centimeter? Because magnification is -1. If magnification is -1 means what? Image is going to be what? Real and what? Inverted. If it is plus, then what? Virtual and erect, that behind the mirror. So real and inverted. So of course, if you will draw it, then we can say pole, focus, center of curvature, right? So somewhere here it will form. Yeah, so we can say magnification is -1, so real and inverted image, right? And then they told that what? It is placed what? It is placed, screen is placed 50 centimeter, right? So we can say here that is what? -50 centimeter, right? Real inverted, so it will be what? The same direction of the object, right? So we got -50. The first answer we got, that is a concave mirror. Find the distance of the image. Find the distance of the image from the object, right? From the object, they are saying. So find find the distance of the object from the image, right? So how you will find? Let's see. So now we got what here? The what is that? Find the distance of the image from the mirror. So that is -50. So B part answer, V is equal to -50 centimeter. Third thing, what they're asking, what is the focal length of the object, right? Of the mirror. So focal length, if you want to find, guys, then we can say magnification is same. It means what? The object is should be placed like magnification. Magnification is 1. Either it is -1 +1, doesn't matter. But magnification 1 means the object should be placed at what? Only one case we know. Think little. So if you'll think little, then what? The object should be placed at what? Center of curvature, right? So image and image as well as what? Object distance is going to be what? Same. So focal length is going to be what now? So we can say, if you will draw this, so this is going to be the radius of curvature. So object is also placed at the same, image is also placed at the same. So we can say focal length of what? Half of that. So minus of 25 centimeter. Hope so you guys got. What I did is magnification is -1. So the image is going to be real and inverted, right? In a concave mirror. Why? Because it is placed in a screen, right? And then they are saying that what? -1. 1 means what? Object and image is of same size. Same size means what? Only one case is there in concave mirror. When the object is placed at C, the image will also form at what? C. So we can say it is going to be the focal length. Fine. Now next question they are asking, draw the ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. Okay. So now if you want to draw the ray diagram, so we can draw from here itself, right? Let's draw here. I'll remove everything. So we'll have to consider the object here. A ray of light parallel to principal axis, it will pass through what? Focus. Again the array of light passes intersects the like fault pole, and what will happen? Image will form at what? C only. So this is going to be the image. So we can say image. Now that's it. Array of light parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. Array of light incident at pole reflect back with the same angle. So this question was good. Now let's see. Next question, if you will see, an object is placed. An object is kept at a distance of 4 meters in front of a spherical mirror, which forms an erect image at a distance of 1 meter from the mirror. What is the magnification? Is that mirror is convex or concave? Right? An object is kept 4 meters in front of a spherical mirror which forms an erect image. Now you'll have to think on that, like how erect image. Let's see again, if you'll solve this question, then what, object is placed 4 centimeters. So guys, u is always what, negative 4 meter, right, in front of a spherical which forms an erect image at a distance of 1 meter from the mirror. 1 meter from the mirror. Okay, let's consider v is equal to what, 1 meter, right? V is equal to what, 1 meter. V is equal to what, 1 meter, right? Next, what we can say here, so they didn't told anything about mirror, so we'll have to draw again both the cases, then only we can. Let's draw first what, concave mirror, and then what, convex mirror. So concave mirror, if you will see, you have to draw diagrams, you have to draw it properly, then only you'll get the correct answer. Fine. An object is kept at a distance of 4 meters in front of a spherical mirror which forms a erect image at a distance of 1 meter from the mirror, right? 1 meter from the mirror. Now the problem comes here, erect image forms on concave mirror in only one case. What is the case? Case is when the object is placed between pole and focus. So that is for sure the object is going to be somewhere here. Let's consider somewhere here, right? Now a ray of light parallel to principal axis will pass through what, focus. Okay, a ray of light passes will incident at pole, then what, it will reflect back with the same angle. Now if you will extend these rays of light, it is going to meet somewhere here, right? Okay, fine. In this case, guys, if you will see here, let's consider object is placed somewhere here, right? A ray of light passes parallel to principal axis will pass through what, focus, right? So we can again say that what, this is the focus. Let's consider this is center of curvature. Now what, a ray of light directly hit to the center of curvature, it will retrace its path, right? So we can say the image is going to fall somewhere here. Now if you will see here one thing, that this is they are saying object distance is 4 and this is 1. This is 4 and this is what, 1 meter, which is possible. Of course this is not possible, this distance is smaller than this, right? So and then this is possible, 1 meter 4 meter, this can be possible, right? So this is not possible, only we'll have to consider this one. Now how to find magnification, think little. So what I did, an object is kept at a distance of 4 meters in front of a spherical mirror which forms an erect image, right? Erect image means if you will take a concave mirror, then you are supposed to consider the object is placed between pole and focus. That is what I did. From there I may drawn a ray diagram. From there I understood that no, object distance is, image distance is greater than the object distance, and in question it is opposite of that, so it is not possible. But if you see in convex mirror, here it is possible, right? So let's see now, we'll have to find magnification. So guys, magnification is what, minus v by u, right? So let's see now, magnification minus v by u. V is in plus only, so 1 meter. U is in what, minus, so minus 1 by 4. Magnification is how much? Minus 1 by minus v by u. V is positive, u is negative. Yes, correct one. Let's see now. Next is what? A concave mirror produces a 3 times magnified on a screen. See, easily you can understand, and a concave mirror produces 3 times the magnified image on a screen. On a screen means only concave mirror images can form, right, on the screen, right? So if the object is placed 20 centimeter in front of the concave mirror, how far is the screen from the object? Okay, so we can say from here is object is what? Magnification. Directly we can say 3, and then on a screen, then magnification is going to be positive or negative. Think, magnification is going to be -3 as it is placed in a screen. So we can say now, if the object is placed 20 centimeter, v is equal to minus of 20 centimeter, right, in front of the mirror. How far is the screen placed, right? So now we can say here is magnification is equal to minus v by u. Magnification is -3, u, right, u is -20, and then minus v by -20, minus cancel out, so -60 is the image distance. But they are saying if the object is placed 20 in front of a concave mirror, how far is the screen from the object? How far is the screen? So directly we can say what? 60, -60. So that we understood, right? Let's see next. The image of a candle is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a concave mirror on a screen placed in front of a mirror at a distance of 60 centimeter from its pole. What is the nature of the image? Find the focal length. This question also, if you will see, an image of a candle is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a mirror is formed on a screen. Again, they are giving a hint that it is a concave mirror, right? So one thing we understood for sure, it is a concave mirror, right? Okay, so we got it is a concave mirror. Next thing is what? On a screen in front of at a distance of what? So they are saying what they gave here. Think again, the image of a candle, the image of the candle flame is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter, right? So u is how much? -30 centimeter. V, if you will see how much it is, -60 centimeter. Anyway, it is going to be same only. Acha, why it is in this minus direction? It's placed in front of the mirror, right, at distance of -60 centimeter. Now 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f, find its focal length. Okay, 1 by v is -60 minus 30, right? Now you solve it, you will get the whole answer from here. So till here we will see. After that we'll see what refraction and then lenses, all those things we are going to see in the next lecture.